Back off, man. I'm a scientist.
I collect spores, molds, and fungus.
Why worry? Each of us is wearing an unlicensed nuclear accelerator on his back.
Hi, I'm Matt, I'm a Ghostbuster, and I do science stuff. Today's episode is sponsored by Mentos, the fresh maker. It's totally not, but I didn't know what else to do for an intro. So, Mentos, if you're watching, hello! Alright, so Mentos is the key ingredient in today's experiment. It's a really basic one, Mentos into cola. I'm sure you've seen this done before. You may have even tried it yourself before. I've never actually done it, so I thought I'd give it a go. I want to do something that actually explodes. Every episode I do, I get really excited. Oh my god, we're going to get a reaction. And it's all been really low-key so far. I want something to like explode. So Mentos and cola, I know what's going to do it. So yeah, I might de-kit a little bit just because the proton pack, it's rated to deal with slime but not soda. So yeah, I'm going to de-kit a bit and then I'll get back and we'll get straight into it. See you in a sec. Alright, so I've got my Mentos ready to go. I've got my Coke, no sugar. Reason I'm using no sugar is, one, I love Coca-Cola, and if I had to waste Coke and not drink it, I'd be really sad. And second, the no sugar version apparently gives a much better result. So, see how we go. I'm expecting big things. If this doesn't like explode everywhere, I'm going to be so crushed. I'm going to get more Mentos. Make it as big as possible. Alright. Okay. That was good, that was good, that was good. Like I said, I've never done this before. I'm glad I de-kitted. I did not want that on my proton pack. Alright, so that was Coke, no sugar. Worked awesomely. I've got regular cola as well, just to give it a go. Home brand again, I couldn't stand sacrificing Coke. Alright. Go again. So yeah, no sugar definitely works better. That's good. Mentos and cola. So what's happening is that for a long time they didn't know why the Mentos actually reacted that way. They thought it might be like a chemical reaction happening, creating some form of gas. But all it is the Mentos is acting as a surfactant. So as soon as it hits the cola, it reduces the surface tension of the soda, which creates the whole reaction. I'll explain that more in the description of the video if you want to read all about it, because it's actually really interesting. I always thought it was just like a chemical reaction happening. So I'm going to try and see what happens. There are bugs. I'm going to try and see what happens if I do it in my mouth. I don't think it's going to work because it's not going to be acting like as a surfactant. But I'm going to give it a go and we're going to try. Alright, so I'm not expecting much to happen, but I'm going to try in my mouth. Most action my mouth has had in a long time. That's really sad. Alright, I'll do Coke first. That's disgusting. So it fizz a little bit. It's fizzing a bit. I didn't think it was through because I've got to do the outside now and come off for Mentos. That's fine. So that didn't work so much because it's not the Mentos breaking the surface tension of the the cola. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that episode. Really simple to try, doesn't cost much money. Let's do it outside because as you can see it's really messy. Thank you for watching. More bugs. I will catch you on the next episode of I'm Matt, I'm a Ghostbuster, and I do science stuff. See ya!